was 37 degrees. The wind was east at 3 miles an hour.
That's not good.
In Marion, Kentucky, it was
I literally got this from my phone. What did it say?
The wind was east at 5 miles
March
an hour.
2004 Hyundai Sonata with Kentucky temporary plate operated by Glenn Harper. I got that from my phone.
Elsewhere around the region,
I don't think this station will be able to get that.
It was fair with a temperature of 41 at Bowling Green.
Lows around 40.
Indiana.
Southwest winds around 5
miles per hour. Under fair skies.
Wednesday, partly sunny.
43.
Highs in the upper 60s.
And Lexington.
South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
The current time
Wednesday.
is 12:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Looking at the latest weather maps.
Yeah, I don't think they're going to relay that. It's probably not. Well, it ain't for me, but it's got issue for the entire state. But oh man. Now remember, if you live in anywhere in Kentucky, for example, Lexington, or in my city, Owensboro, or Bowling Green, Madisonville, whatever you live in Kentucky, if you have any information about the 2004 Hyundai Sonata, and I'll give you some hints. It's colored in maroon, and this is what the hold on, this is what the temporary tag is. And here it is. And he was and his friends were told, and he advised a friend of his that he's going to Houston. Good God. That's not good. But yeah, anyway guys, if you have any information about that, report it to the police immediately. Oh God, that's just crazy.